Hey guys, today I'll be working on this Mustang. So if you have this issue, you can't take off the stereo, you don't know how. So pretty much the right way to do it, to take the stereo off, you have to pull on this piece, pull it out, and then just pull it and it comes off. This thing right here, and that just comes off, and then it has two more screws right here, 1, 2. But before you take this off, at the same time, there's these side skirts. They go one on this side and the one on the other side, and all there are is on clips right here, see? So just to take them out, just don't break them. You just pull it this way and then pop it this way, and once you pop this up, this will be more free. And then you take this one off and one on this side. Once you got those two out, you can take this out, 2 screws right here, and this thing just pops up. And then also this also on clips comes off as well. And once you did that, you have little screws inside here. There's 2, one on this side underneath there, and one on this side right here, right there. And there are number, let's see, 7. You also have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you got that, this comes off loose. You just pull it. There's like a little knob that goes inside here. You just pull it down, and then this comes off. And then you have wires going to this. You just unclip like 1, 2, 3. There'll be clips. You unclip it. Here, I'll show you. Just like that. And then you take this 1, 2, 3 off. And then after that, this plastic cover has 4 more bolts or screws, whatever you want to call them. 1 right here, 2, and then 2 on this side. Once you take this off, the stereo will come off. I already took mine off, and I'm already putting it back together. I already put this one back together, and I screwed those in. 4. Make sure you plug everything in here, and then just pushing it down. And then the bottom here clip also comes off. Make sure you plug it in. Mine came off, I plugged it in. Once you're done with that, you just line this up, put the screws in here, 1, 2, when you took it off, and then screw this back in, and then just pop this one back in place. Put the rest of the screws on, your plastic covers. But yeah, just don't forget to, when you play with these, you might have to open this up, like up and down. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully that explains. If it doesn't, comment below. But that's pretty much it, taking off the stereo on this Mustang. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.